Let's see how sweatshirts and sweatpants are made inside a modern garment factory. First, high-quality fleece fabric is selected and unrolled for cutting. Then, the fabric is precisely cut using automated cutting machines to ensure uniform sizes. Next, the modern designs are measured using a drawing pencil and proceed with the cutting process of all the different parts of the sweatshirt and sweatpants accordingly. Here you can see that multiple fabrics are cut together with precision. After that, the garments move to the printing section where company logos or patterns are applied using advanced techniques. Now, the cut fabric pieces are stitched together using industrial sewing machines to assemble the sweatshirt and sweatpants. After that, waistbands and cuffs are attached with elastic or drawstrings added for a comfortable fit. Next, the stitched garments go through the finishing process to soften the fabric and remove excess dye. Here, the garments are neatly folded for packaging. Finally, the sweatshirts and sweatpants are packed in protective plastic bags and boxes, ready for distribution.